In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the credit limit on my Bankwest card. Before we start, a quick note. A higher limit can increase your flexibility, but it also comes with responsibility. Make sure your account is in good standing and have your income and expense details handy. Banks may run a credit check and could ask for supporting documents to verify your information. Open your web browser and search for the official Bankwest website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button and click it. Sign in using your usual credentials and complete any security prompts like two-factor authentication if you're asked. It's best to do this on a private device and a secure internet connection for your safety. After you're logged in, head to the credit card section. This is where you'll see your cards and related options. If you have more than one card, select the specific card you want to request a higher limit for. Double check you've chosen the right one so the request goes to the correct account. Next, open the menu for that card. Depending on your view, it may be labeled Manage or Card Services. Inside this area, look for the option called Request a Credit Limit Increase and select it. This will open the application form. Now fill out the form carefully. You'll typically be asked for the new limit you're requesting, your employment status, income, regular expenses, and any existing financial commitments. Be accurate and honest. Your bank uses this information to assess affordability. If you're unsure about the amount, consider a modest increase you can comfortably manage. Consistency helps too. Make sure details like your address and employer match what the bank already has on file. Once everything is completed, review your request. Confirm the card details, the requested amount, and your personal and financial information. Correct any typos and ensure the figures are current. When you're confident it's all accurate, submit the request. After submission, Bankwest will review your application. They may contact you for additional verification, such as recent payslips or statements, so keep an eye on your phone and email. Processing times can vary based on the information provided. Finally, you'll receive an email or secure message confirming whether your limit increase was approved or declined. If approved, your new limit will appear in your account shortly. If it's not approved, consider reducing existing balances, keeping payments on time, and trying again after your circumstances improve. That's it. Simple, secure, and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and use your new limit responsibly.